Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some egg-cellent tips for storing and handling eggs. Let's crack into it. First up, did you know that storing your eggs in the refrigerator door is a big no-no? That's right. The door is the warmest part of the fridge, and those temperature swings can damage the egg's protective outer layer. Instead, let's move them to a shelf inside the fridge for a stable temperature. Next, when you're storing your eggs in a carton, be mindful of cross-contamination. Keep those eggs away from other foods to avoid any salmonella surprises. And hey, don't forget to clean that egg carton regularly. Now, what if you find a cracked egg? Use it quickly and make sure to cook it thoroughly. Because that protective barrier is compromised, safety first. Here's a cool tip: always store your eggs with the pointed end down. This keeps the air pocket at the wide end, which helps stop bacteria from sneaking in. Genius, right? And finally, how can you tell if an egg is still fresh? Grab a glass of cold water. If it sinks, it's good to go, but if it floats, it's time to say goodbye. So there you have it. Follow these simple tips to keep your eggs fresh and safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun kitchen tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay egg-cellent.